Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I'm going to do the sunset lip. I've been seeing the sunset lip on Instagram and like people have been doing it. It's like a brown with a yellow middle and with gloss. It looks so beautiful. And I tried the other day, I was like, damn, I've been sleeping. So I have some products here I'm going to use. I'll be using this Isando's. This Nigerian brand lip liner, Motec. I don't know where this is from, but I actually got it from my beauty supply store, my local beauty supply store. And I'll be using this Eye Magic palette, the yellow in it, and Absolute Gloss. Let's just say clear gloss on my lips. So let's start. Let's get going. Let me show you how to do this cute lips. Keep on watching. So I'll be starting off with this dark lip liner. In case I look down, my mirror my mirror is down here. So I'm going to outline my lips with this. I hope you guys can see. Then I'll be taking this one and I'm going to use it in the middle here and here. Then I'll just mark it like that. Mind you, you can use like colors that are similar to this. You don't have to like get the exact products. Then I'll be taking this. What's the color in it? It's a yellow. You actually named it, oh, Jean Yellow 013. I'll be using this brush to pick it up, and I'm going to use it in the center. I like this. You guys should see how it's even just see how it's fitting me. I've not even done much. I want to add more yellow to the lips. You can leave it matte like this. Oh my god, I love this lip. You can leave it matte like this, or you can go over with gloss. So now I'll be using this gloss, Absolute Gloss. I'm going to use it as a topper all over my lip. Ooh, this is so beautiful. You see why I love this gloss? This gloss is like a lip lacquer on your lips. Like it really gives that juicy look. I don't want to take this off. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Let me give you people looks. For the second look, sorry, I'm eating suya. If you don't know, suya is spicy grilled meat. It's a special spice. So I'm going to do this like bright nude look, lip look, because I'm tired. Then I'll use this brown on the outside like this. I'm using this brown on the outskirts of my lip. I really like this brown. I'm going to use classic makeup. It's called Student. It's like this nude in the middle. I actually really like this. It's really nice. You can stop here. You can stop here, but I'm going to be using this. It's by, oh my god, I don't know this brand, but you can take a light concealer. I'm using a light lip gloss, and I'm going to use it in the middle. This is so nice. In fact, this was the look I was looking for. The brown, the nude, then the really light one. You can actually use a light concealer if you don't have one. Then You can leave it like this. You can leave it like this, but I'm going to be putting glows on it. Ooh. See, the gloss just brings everything out. Like, gloss just makes everything better. Like, see with the gloss. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Hi. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so tired because like it's really late at night here, and I was like, let me just do these quick lip combos to show you guys. Let me enjoy my suya and wash my face and have a good night rest. So yeah, this is my lip combo number 2. Thank you for watching. If you have come this far, I really appreciate your support. God bless you. Have a blessed week.